हेलो फ्रेंड, मेरा नाम है राकेश और स्वागत है आपका हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल ज्ञान बैंक में। टुडे वी स्टडी स्टेट एंड their capital of India and their official language. First state is Arunachal Pradesh. Its capital is Itanagar and official language is English. Second state is Assam. Its capital is Dispur and official language is Assamese and English. Third state is Andhra Pradesh. Capital is Amravati. Official language is Telugu. Fourth one is Bihar. Its capital is Patna and its official language is Hindi. Fifth one is Chhattisgarh. Its capital is Raipur and official language is Hindi. Sixth state is Goa. Its capital is Panji. Official language is Konkani. Seventh state is Gujarat. Capital is Gandhinagar. Official language is Gujarati. Eighth state is Haryana. Its capital is Chandigarh. Official language is Hindi. Ninth state is Himachal Pradesh. Its capital is Shimla. Official language is Hindi. 10th one is Jharkhand. Its capital is Ranchi and official language is Hindi. 11th state is Karnataka. Its capital is Bengaluru. Official language is Kannada. 12th state is Kerala. Its capital is Trivandrum. Official language is Malayalam. 13th state is Madhya Pradesh. Its capital is Bhopal. Official language is Hindi. 14th state is Maharashtra. Its capital is Mumbai and official language is Marathi. 15th state is Manipur. Its capital is Imphal and official language is Manipuri. 16th state is Meghalaya. Its capital is Shillong. Its official language is English and Garo. 17th state is Mizoram. Its capital is Aizawl. Official language is Mizo and English and Hindi. 18th state is Nagaland. Its capital is Kohima. Its official language is English. 19th state is Odisha. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. Its official language is Odia. 20th state is Punjab. Its capital is Chandigarh. Its official language is Punjabi. 21st state is Rajasthan. Its capital is Jaipur. Its official language is Rajasthani. 22nd state is Sikkim. Its capital is Gantok. Its official language is Nepali. 23rd state is Tamil Nadu. Its capital is Chennai. Its official language is Tamil. 24th state is Telangana. Its capital is Hyderabad. Its official language is Telugu and Urdu. 25th state is Tripura. Its capital is Agartala. Its official language is Bengali, Tripuri, and English. 26th state is Uttarakhand. Its capital is Dehradun. Its official language is Hindi. 27th state is Uttar Pradesh. Its capital is Lucknow. Its official language is Hindi. 28th state is West Bengal. Its capital is Kolkata. Its official language is Bengali and English. And now we study about the Union Territory of India with their capital and their official language. First one is Andaman and Nicobar. Its capital is Port Blair. Its official language is Hindi and English. Second one is Chandigarh. Its capital is Chandigarh. Its official language is Hindi, English and Punjabi. थर्ड इज दादर एंड नगर हवेली एंड दमन एंड दीव. ये एक हो गए हैं 2020 से ही. एंड इट्स कैपिटल इज दमन एंड ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज इज गुजराती, मराठी, हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश. फोर्थ वन इज दिल्ली. इट्स कैपिटल इज दिल्ली. ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज इज हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश. फिफ्थ वन इज जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. इट्स कैपिटल इज जम्मू इन समर एंड कश्मीर इन विंटर. ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज इज हिंदी एंड उर्दू. Sixth one is Ladakh. Its capital is Leh in summer and Kargil in winter. Official language is Hindi and English. Seventh one is Lakshadweep. Its capital is Kavaratti. Its official language is Malayalam and English. Eighth one is Pondicherry. Its capital is Pondicherry. Its official language is French, Tamil and English. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.